Yes, you can earn $9,000 in pure passive income with this brand new Google technique. But you must first build up a system in 5 steps. Number 1. Go to Google and search for Google Presentation. Then select this link of docs.google.com. On the next page, you can create a new blank presentation from this plus sign, or you can use any of these templates available here for creating your presentation, which I think is a lot easier because once you select some of the templates, you can just drag and drop and customize everything like background color, text, etc. And you can create a nice presentation. Don't worry, you don't have to sell anything, and this isn't affiliate marketing. It's the best way to make money online in 2022 that no one else is talking about on YouTube. So for the second step, I want you to go to similarweb.com, which is a website where you can check the statistics of any other website or app. So just search for Instagram in the search box and select the first option of Instagram. If you scroll down, you will see that Instagram gets over 6 billion visits per month. 6 billion, but only 5 of them are making money on Instagram, and they all want to know how they can make money from it. And if you add TikTok in this comparison, you will see that TikTok is getting 1.8 billion visits per month, and people want to know how they can make money from it. And now I will show you how you can make money with this opportunity without selling anything or utilizing affiliate marketing. If you stick with me until the finish, I will show you a website where you can get everything done for you and start making passive income right away. So for step 3, I'd like you to go to udemy.com. Udemy is an educational website where you can learn many professional courses such as design, development, marketing, and business by paying a small charge for those courses. But you don't need to buy any courses or pay for anything. I want you to go to the top of this page and search for Instagram growth. And on the next page, you will find various Instagram courses where you can learn how to grow your Instagram and make money with it. So they have just uploaded their courses are new to me, and Udemy keeps promoting their courses and making money. For example, this one creator here received close to 500 ratings on this course. But as we all know, not everyone leaves reviews after completing the course. So let's say 1,000 individuals enrolled in this course, and this creator earned over $16,000 in pure passive income from this one course alone. But don't worry, as previously stated, you don't need to sell any courses. I just want you to watch how they teach Instagram and TikTok growth strategies. You can buy these courses to learn if you want, but that's entirely optional because I'll show you 2 completely free methods to learn this now. If you search for TikTok growth in the search box, you will find many different courses by different creators. But you don't need to buy any of these courses to learn Instagram and TikTok growth strategies. Instead, you can go to discudemy.com and find different Instagram and TikTok courses for free and learn from them. Simply type TikTok into the search field, and it will display the TikTok Growth Hacks complete course, which you can watch and learn for free. At the end of the video, I will show you the website that will perform all the hard work for you. So stay tuned. Step 4 is to go to Google and search for Skillshare in the search box. Clicking on the first website will take you to this page. Skillshare is also an educational platform like Udemy where you can teach and learn different courses. But the difference is that on Skillshare, you don't pay for each and every course you want to watch, but instead, pay a fixed small monthly fee and you can watch any course available on Skillshare.com. Now, I'd like to present to you this course on the top 10 talents to enhance your confidence in Skillshare. If you open this and watch this class, you'll notice that it's all just a presentation similar to a PowerPoint presentation or a Google Slides presentation. This person is just showing some presentation on their screen and they're just talking into their mic, so it's just a screen recording of their Google presentation or PowerPoint presentation, and this has massive potential because you don't have to chase customers. You're not selling anything and you're not doing affiliate marketing, that you literally just need to post your presentation on Skillshare.com. And Skillshare will drive traffic to your course. You don't need any traffic sources for this. And you don't need any following at all. It's proven to work. And I have personally tested it out because we will create presentations related to Instagram and TikTok growth hacks. We will get even more views and watch time because, as I showed you, Instagram already has 6 billion visits per month. So by teaching Instagram growth tactics, we can easily earn over $9,000 in pure passive revenue. Students pay monthly fees on Skillshare, so they sign up for a Skillshare and pay perhaps $5 to $10 per month to view multiple courses accessible on Skillshare. And once they pay for a membership, they don't have to pay specifically for your course. So when they watch your course on Skillshare, for every minute they watch, you will be paid 5 to 10 cents. And in my opinion, it will be around 8 cents per minute. So if you upload a 60 minutes long course on Skillshare, you'll be paid $4.80 per student. And according to SimilarWeb, Skillshare receives over 9 million visits per month. So if you get only 2,000 students watching your 60 minutes class, you'll be making over $900 in pure. If you upload TikTok growth hacks as well, you will make much more than this. Even if you don't want to develop the course yourself and don't want to use your voice for voiceover, I will show you a hidden method to get it done for free. So stay tuned. It's completely free to join Skillshare, but if they ask for a payment, you don't have to pay anything. Simply click on the Skillshare icon in the upper left corner and it will take you to your homepage where you may find many courses available. Once you've done that, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website and click on Become a Teacher, which will take you to the next page where you can read more about it if you want to. Or just click on Start a Class on the top and here you can start uploading your lectures from the Upload Videos button, and in the Class Details section, you have to select the language for the course. Or if you select the English language, you will get more views than if you select the Spanish language. Instagram growth hacks, for example, then provide a clear description of the class and description for this project of this class. Then choose a category, which will be business in this case. And in this subcategory, you can select marketing because we are teaching Instagram marketing. And then just select level as the intermediate for your class and add tags in this last box related to Instagram, Instagram growth, Instagram marketing, etc. And then scroll up to the top of this page and click Now. You can simply copy and paste text from that ebook and create your Instagram growth presentation in just 15 minutes. You can use OBS Studio to record your screen and explain your Google presentation. Then you can simply write a simple script with the help of the ebook and use the Google Text-to-Speech software for free to voice over your video course. That's all for today. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you for watching.